Multiplying multiples of 10. We're going to use place value to do it. 4 times 50. Whoa, okay. So we're multiplying a single digit number by a multiple of 10. Don't worry, it's going to be easy. So the first thing I notice is that 4 times 50, I know this 50 can be broken down or decomposed into smaller parts. 4 times 50 is the same thing as 4 times 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50, right? Stay with me. All right, so instead of doing 4 times 50, we're gonna do 4 times 5 times 10. But we're not gonna multiply 5 times 10 first. Let's do 4 times 5 first. All right, we're gonna save the 10 for later. 4 times 5, what's 4 times 5? 20. And so now we have 20 times 10. Okay, so we're asking ourselves, what is 10 times greater than 20? Well, let's go back to our place value chart. If we have 20, right, 2 10s, 0 1s, what's 10 times greater than that? Well, 10 times greater would be the place to the left. So instead of 2 10s, I would have 2 hundreds. 10 times greater than 20 is 200, which means our answer is 200. All right, all we did was break down this 50 into 5 times 10, and then we multiplied 4 times 5 first, and then we saved the 10 for last because that's easier. All right, let's do another one. 3 times 90. All right, same thing here. We're gonna break down this 90 into 9 times 10, right? So 3 times 90 is the same thing as 3 times 9 times 10. But again, we're gonna save that 10 for last. So let's multiply 3 times 9 first. 3 times 9, 27. And now we're looking for what is 10 times greater than 27? What's 27 times 10? Let me get my handy dandy place value chart. All right, so I got 27, 2 10s, 7 1s. So 10 times more than 2 10s is 2 hundreds. Oh yeah. And then 10 times more than 7 1s is 7 10s. And then we didn't have anything over here, so that there's 0 in the ones place. So 10 times more than 27 is 270. So 3 times 90 is 270. That's interesting because 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 90, 270. All right, let's try something a little bit more complicated this time. You ready? Ooh, 60 times 60. Now this one seems a little bit more challenging, but we're gonna do it the same way. Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me. All right, so instead of 60 times 60, let's break both of these bad boys down. 60 can be broken down into 6 times 10 for this 60, and 6 times 10 for this 60. But remember, we wanna save the 10s for last. So what are we gonna multiply first? You know it. Let's do the 6 times 6 first. Then we're gonna save this 10, and then this 10 for later. So 6 times 6, what's that? 36. 6 times 6 is 36. And now we're doing 36 times 10 times 10. So 36, what's 10 times greater than 36? And then we got to do 10 times greater than that. Let's get our handy dandy place value chart. Yeah. So 36 is 3 10s and 6 1s. So 10 times more than 3 10s is 3 hundreds. 10 times more than 6 1s is 6 10s. So that would be 10 times greater, 360. But remember, we have to do 10 times greater and then another 10 times greater. So let's do 10 times greater again. We have 3 hundreds, 6 10s. 10 times greater than that would be, bada boom, 3,600. Okay, so your answer for 60 times 60 would be 3,600. I think you guys got this. If not, watch the video a few more times, get some more practice in, try some few on your own. If you have any questions, let me know.